Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into your Essex account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. In your Google search bar, search for Essex Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to essexmortgage.com. Scroll down and you can see the customer portal. Click on customer portal and you can now type in your username, your password and click login. If you haven't made an account yet, you can go ahead and click register, and if you still have any problems, click on contact us. Now, if in case you forgot your username, click on this link which will lead you to verify your mail and change your username. And if you forgot your password, click on this link which will make you forget your password and reset your password once again, and then you can enter a new password and log in to your Essex Mortgage account. This was a video on how you can log in to your Essex Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.